Welcome friends, myself Shoptaporni from BioLive. Hope all of you are doing very well. Today I am going to discuss about answer key or solutions of life science paper of West Bengal SET examination 2022. I have already discussed the part 1 of this paper, that means the first 50 questions in my previous video. The link is given in the description box below. You may also check that. In this video I am going to discuss about the next 25 questions, and part 3 will be coming very soon where I will discuss another 25 questions. Okay, so before beginning I would like to request you to kindly subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell button given below, and if you like this video don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. And if you have any doubts regarding this or any suggestion, you may leave a comment below in the comment section. You can also follow me in my Facebook page, Facebook group, or in my Instagram profile. So okay, let's begin. The 51st question asks, brasinolide, the most bioactive form of brasinosteroid, was first isolated from. The correct answer will be option A, pollens of Brassica napus. Okay. Next question, which of the following features is not characteristics of the bacterial exotoxin? Okay. Exotoxins are chemically proteinaceous in nature. Yes, it is correct. Next, they are produced by both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Yes, it is also correct. Next, toxoids are not formed from the exotoxins for using as vaccines. It is not correct. It is incorrect because toxoids are formed by inactivating the exotoxins and they are used as vaccines. So, your correct answer would be option C. And the last option, they are heat labile and inactivated at 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. It is also correct. So, your correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, which of the following is not a typical characteristics of R selected species? Okay, very easy one to answer. The large size. R selected species are always smaller in size. Okay, so correct answer is option A. Next question, match the following following list. Okay. See here, Ramsar Convention is for wetland conservation. So, 4 will match with option 3. Okay. Next, Kyoto Protocol, Kyoto Protocol is for greenhouse gas emission reduction. 3 will be matching with option 1. Then Rio Summit will match with Agenda 21, 2 with 4. And Stockholm Conference with biosafety. So, correct answer will be your 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 3 to 1 and 4 to 3. So, correct answer is option A. Okay. Coming to the next question, the amino acid that shows buffering capacity near physiological pH range is our histidine. Okay. Next question, which one of the following would not be possible to address using northern blot? mRNA size, yes, you can address mRNA size by northern blot. Then location of restriction sites in a particular gene. This will be your correct answer because we don't use northern blot to determine the location of restriction sites in a particular gene. Okay. So next question, let us consider in ANOVA two-way model with one observation per cell, the degree of freedom, the DF for treatment and blocks are 4 and 5. Okay, so here DF are given. DF for treatment is 4. Okay, so the number of rows or the number of rows will be your 5. Okay, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Next, DF for blocks is 5. So, number of column will be 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Now, they have asked you the degrees of freedom for total sum of square. DF of total sum of square is n minus 1. N equal to R into C. So, 30 minus 1, 29. So, your correct answer is 29. Okay. Next question, a protein conjugated with mannose-6-phosphate unit is destined to be delivered at lysosome. Your option A. Next question, which of the following statement is not correct for the tapetum? Okay, It is composed of a single layer of cells characterized by dense cytoplasm and prominent nucleus. Yes, it is correct. Next, it draws nutrient from the developing microspore. It is not correct, okay, because tapetum does not draw nutrient from the developing microspore. Rather, it provides nutrients to the microspore. So, your correct answer is option B. Next, wilt disease of sugarcane is caused by which of the following? It is caused by Cephalosporium saccharine. Option A. Okay. Coming to the next question, identify the incorrect option. See here, from cholesterol, pregnenolone can be formed, and from there, progesterone. So, it is correct. From progesterone, testosterone, and then from that, estradiol. It is also correct. From progesterone to corticosterone, and then aldosterone, also correct. Pregnenolone to estradiol to testosterone. It is not correct. Why? Because from pregnenolone, first testosterone is formed, then estradiol can be formed. Okay. So, it is not correct. So, your correct answer is option D. Okay. Coming to the next question. Which one of the following statement is incorrect about the peptide hormone ghrelin? Ghrelin is a powerful appetite stimulant. Yes, it's correct. Okay. Next, ghrelin receptors are present in the hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Yes, it is also correct. Concentration of ghrelin peaks just before the meal and sharply drops just after a meal. Yes, it is also correct. Individuals affected with Prader-Willi syndrome show extreme obesity due to presence of an exceptionally low level of ghrelin in their blood. It is not correct because those patients who have Prader-Willi syndrome shows high level of ghrelin in their blood. Okay, that is why they are more obese than normal people. Okay, so here the incorrect option is option D. Okay. Now coming to the question number 63. Three proteins XYZ have PI values of 6.8, 4.5 and 1, okay, respectively. They were loaded in a cation exchange column under increasing salt gradient. In which of the following order these proteins will be eluted? See here, they have not given you the pH value, okay, pH value of the buffer. So here you have to determine the elution, the sequence of elution based on the PI values. Okay, so obviously the least PI value will be eluted first. Okay, so here the sequence will be Z, Y, then X. Okay, option C. Okay. Now coming to the question number 64. The two monolayers of a lipid membrane bilayer can be effectively separated by fridge fracture electron microscopy. Option A. Okay. Now coming to the question number 65. A man with hemophilia has a daughter of normal phenotype. So, the genotype of man is, let's say, XHY. Okay. And the genotype of the of his daughter is XHX. As we know, hemophilia is a X-linked recessive disease. So, this daughter is normal in phenotype. She marries a man who is normal for the trait. So, she marries XY. Okay, normal man. Okay, so what is the probability that a daughter of this mating will be hemophilic? So, the daughter can be either XHX or XX. Okay, these two can be the daughters. So, neither of them are hemophilic. Neither of them can be hemophilic. So, correct answer is 0%. Okay. Next question, the amino acid that lacks pKr value, okay, that means R refers to the side chain, okay, is here glutamic acid, lysine, glycine, yeah, arginine. The correct answer will be glycine because it lacks the side chain, okay, R group. Next, dideoxy DNA sequencing exclusively depends on which of the following? Plasmid vector, ATP, vector primer or termination. If dideoxy DNA, okay, that means DD NTPs are present, then the DNA extension gets terminated due to absence of O group in the third carbon of the deoxyribose sugar. As a result, the phosphodiester bond cannot be formed. Okay, so the correct answer will be termination. Option D. Next, retrotransposition would best be described as, correct answer would be option B, a transposable element that always passes through an RNA intermediate stage. Okay. Coming to the question number 69, which one of the following agents inhibit the interaction of RNA synthesis in prokaryotes by binding to beta subunit of RNA polymerase? The correct answer will be rifamycin SV. Okay, option C. Now coming to the question number 70, match the following columns. Vanilla is extracted from orchid, anatoxin from cyanobacteria, litmus dye from lichen, and salicylic acid from willow. So your correct answer will be 1 with 4, 2 with 3, 3 with 1 and 4 with 2. So correct answer is option B. Okay. Coming to the question number 71. The immunoglobulin isotype or subclass that characteristically shows activation of complement cascade and transmembrane transport is IgG1. Okay, option A. Next, deamination of 5-methyl cytosine leads to the formation of thymine. Option D. Okay. Next question, chemicals released from the mast cell during allergic reaction include all the following except interferons. Next question, toxins produced by which of the following pathogenic bacterium exerts its cytotoxic effect by selectively inhibiting protein synthesis in mammalian cells? Okay, the toxin produced by the Corynebacterium diphtheri, okay, diphtheria toxin selectively inhibits the protein synthesis. So correct answer is option C. Now coming to the last question of this session, in biological system of classification, cladistics refers to the to which of the following? It will refers to phylogenetic analysis. Option B. Okay. So with this I end this session here. I will come up with the third part of this video where I will discuss question number 76 to 100. Okay. So please stay tuned for that. I am working on it. So thanks for watching and happy learning.